Hi friends, can you guess what today's letter is? See what I brought with me? It's a bell! Today's letter is B! Alright friends, for the B, it's another big dive down. You're going to swim up and over, but then you're coming around and bumping. So big dive, swim up, over, and loop around and bump the end of your line. Let's start with capital B practice. Frog jump, bump, bump. Down, frog jump, bump, bump. Down, frog jump, bump, bump. Now for your lowercase, dive, down, swim up, over, around, and bump. Dive down, swim up, over, around, and bump. Dive down, swim up, over, around, and bump. All right, those look good. Okay, we have columns again. In that first column, we're adding AB, ab. A, down, swim up, over, around, and bump. Remember, keep your correct letter formation. So A is a magic C, up like a helicopter, down. B dives down, up, over, and around. Make sure you're always practicing the correct formation, even if it's not the letter of the day. Read your words. Crab, grab, jab. Now you're adding ub, then you're adding bowl to make new words. Make sure you're reading those words when you're all done.